Did you know the 4 P's of marketing? Watch this video till the end. The last one will blow your mind. Stick around because today we are diving deep into how these pillars of traditional marketing have been redefined and how you can leverage the new 4 P's to dominate in the digital era. Ready? Let's go. The evolution of product to personalized expectation. In traditional marketing, the product was king. It was all about what you were selling. But today, it's about delivering personalized experiences. Consumer want products tailored to their needs, preferences, and even their mood. Think about Spotify. They're not just a music app. They provide personalized playlists like Discover Weekly that feel like they have been curated just for you. That's the power of personalization. Quick question. What's a product or service you've used recently that made you feel like it was designed just for you? Drop your answer in the comment and I'd love to hear your experiences. Start leveraging customers' data to create tailored products and experiences. Use tools like Google Analytics or customer feedback survey to understand your audiences better. The shift from price to value proposition. In the past, pricing was all about competition. Who could offer the lowest cost? But today, customers care more about the value they are getting. It's about answering the question, why should they choose you over anyone else? One of the biggest challenges businesses face is defining their unique value proposition. Many struggle to communicate why their product is worth the price. Take Apple for example. Their product are premium priced, but they don't sell just the phone. They sell a seamless ecosystem innovation and a status. Think about your business or brand. What's one unique thing you offer that others can't? Write it down or share it in the comment. Let's brainstorm on it together. Focus on building a strong value proposition. Highlight your own product that solves a problem or meets a need better than other competitors. From place to presence. Place used to mean where your product was available in stores, on shelves, or in local market. But now it's all about presence. Are you aware where your customers are? Social media, e commerce, or even their inbox. Amazon mastered this by being everywhere on your phone, desktop, and even your voice assistants. Customers don't need to search far, Amazon meets them where they are. Many brands struggle with maintaining a consistent presence across multiple platforms. It can feel overwhelming to be everywhere. Where do you usually discover your new brands? Instagram ads, Google searches? Let me know in the comments and I'm gonna answer your questions if you have any. Audit your online presence. Ensure your website, social media, and listings are consistent and optimized for your target audiences. We have looked at product, price, place, and the last one is promotion. Promotion are no longer enough in today's digital first world. They have transformed into something bigger, better, and smarter. So, from promotion to platform, promotion isn't just about ads anymore, it's about leveraging the right platform to amplify your message. Social media, influencer, and user generated content are leading the charge. Think about brands like Glossier. They have built an empire by turning their customer into ambassadors. Create a community driven approach to promotion. There are many questions in your mind which you might want to understand. Let's take them one by one. What's the best platform for my business? Could that be a question? So let me answer that. It depends on where your audience hangs out. Gen Z, TikTok, professionals, LinkedIn. Visuals, Instagram. Think about where your target audience is hanging out. Number two, do I need influencers? Not necessary. Micro influencers or even loyal customers can be just as effective as big influencers. I really want to understand which platform you use the most to promote your brand. Share it below. I might feature your comment in my next video. Identify the platform where your audience is most active and focus your promotional efforts there. Start small and scale up as you see results. So, these were the challenges, and let's see how we can overcome them. Here are some things. Adapting to new 4 Ps isn't easy. Challenges like keeping up with technology, managing multiple platforms, and understanding customer data can be daunting. But don't let that stop you. One step to overcome challenges: start small. Pick one P out of these 4 Ps, maybe enhancing your online presence or refining your value proposition, and focus on mastering it before moving it to the next. What's the biggest challenge you face in transforming your marketing? Let's discuss that in the comment. Now you know how the traditional 4 Ps of marketing have evolved and how you can adapt. Remember, marketing isn't static, it's constantly changing, and staying ahead means being adaptable and innovative. If this video helped you, make sure you give a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips like this. Let's grow and learn together. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.